Hey guys, welcome back. It's Matt with ContractorHUB, and today we're going to be back with another video in our how-to series, and we're going to be talking again about service agreements. But today I'm going to be talking about how to create a new service agreement for one of your customers. So let's go ahead and dive into the software and we'll see what we can do. So first things first, you're going to want to go down to your service agreements. It's going to be in the pipeline module. And then once you're in the service agreements, you're going to see a list of all of the service agreements that you've created. These are all your filters for different types of agreements. So if you want to say, I want to see only active agreements, we can see those. I can see only ones that are about to expire, so on and so forth. So these are all based on the contract terms. We can see, ones you've closed out that have been canceled or expired in the past, suspended ones that we've suspended due to non-payment. So on and so forth. So we're just going to go ahead and go in and create a new agreement. So we're going to select an existing customer that we might have in the system. So we're going to have Danny Demo, for instance, is this one. If I don't have an existing customer and this is a new customer, we can create that new customer by pressing the plus icon, and we could just create that customer here. Just for sake of ease, we're just going to go ahead and create one from an existing one. And then I'm going to select the service plan that I want to assign to this customer. So if they want the gold maintenance plan, we will put them on the gold maintenance plan, and we will hit continue. It will then create their service agreement. So once we have our service agreement created, we can ensure that everything is set up properly. You're going to see it's currently in draft status. It's going to pull all the customer information in. So we're going to see anything that they've been billed or what they've paid, any balances due, so on and so forth. The customer information here is a service plan. It's assigned to a specific rep or service tech. If that same service tech is going to go out every single time, you're going to assign it to somebody, and to assign it, you'll just hit reassign. And in this instance, we will assign it to another Danny Demo. So must be twin brothers, but that's all right. So we're going to assign it to Danny Demo, who is the worker, and then Danny Demo is also the customer. So now, next thing we're going to do is we can change the service plan. So if we want to change it from the gold maintenance plan to a different one, we can click that, or we can change the customer. We can look at the pricing, and this is all billed based on what you set up in your original service plan. If you're taxing that plan or not, it's just going to pull directly from the plan you've already created. Now we're going to add the address. So if the customer doesn't already have an address in the system, we can just add that one in here. So we will add 2817 West End Ave, and then we're going to say into Nashville. And TN. We're going to have this auto-populate for you guys in the future. So once you put in an address, it should auto-populate the city-state zip. So we'll just do a Google autocomplete for that. Dates and terms, we're going to go through here. You can set your start date and your end date of the service agreement. We're going to see when this is going to pull from the plan. We're going to see how many is per quarter, and then any next inspections. You can add additional notes if you want to add notes. Once that's all created, no save button. It's all saved because those fields save as soon as you click out of them, which is just one more way that we get to that 3 clicks or less rule. But now, if you want, all you need to do is activate the plan for the customer, and activation of the plan will generate the inspections and set them according to the schedule that you have set up in the plan. So you're going to hit activate, and then you're going to confirm. And once you confirm that plan is now active. So the inspections will be automatically generated per quarter to make sure that you are actually following those. They will be assigned and scheduled on that user's calendar that you assigned it to. So these got assigned to Danny Demo, and they went on his calendar. So he knows every quarter he's got to go back and do that inspection. We can regenerate a schedule if you don't already have one in there, or if you need to make changes to those dates, we can reschedule those individually. So, and then naturally on the scheduled date for every one, an invoice will be automatically generated and sent to the customer based on what that plan was set up. So if you set that plan up for an annual plan, they're going to get the invoice immediately. If you set that plan up for a monthly payment plan, they're going to get a monthly invoice generated monthly. But that'll be generated the night that the service plan is created. So if you create it today, it'll be generated at midnight tonight and sent off to the customer tomorrow morning. And that's about it about creating service plans. So if you have any other questions, just feel free to use that Get Help link. One of our customer success team members will reach out to you and help you out. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on the next video. And yeah, we'll see you later.